Police officers, what criminal actually impressed you with their criminal skills? This guy in high school, Luis, was a known drug dealer. He didn't make it a secret. Everyone bought weed and harder stuff off of him. The cops constantly pulled him over to search him, and whenever a drug-related thing happened at school, he was often the first kid they searched, but they would never catch him with any drugs. They regularly cut locks off his gym locker and his regular locker in hopes of finding his stash, but they never found it. One time there was a rumor going around that his stash was stored in a locker not assigned to anyone, which prompted the administration to search every single locker in the school. The administration had no idea what to do. They would catch kids with weed, and the kids would flat out say, "I bought this from Luis." Luis would encourage them to say it. They would then search Luis's stuff inside out. Cops would search his car, and he consented to all of it, and laughed when they found nothing. Eventually, the vice principal's younger son asked for shoes for Christmas that had a secret compartment in them. Light bulbs go off in his head. The first day back after holiday break, he pulls Luis out of class. They bring him into the office, and then the VP tells him to take his shoes off. Turns out his hunch was right. He had hidden compartments in his shoes, but there were no drugs in there. I guess Luis is laughing his ass off at this point. Luis has the audacity to explain that he hasn't seen any of his classmates for 3 weeks. He had not taken any orders yet. Had the VP waited a day, he would have caught